for owl.
L for owl.
Owl means ullu.
Always ullu.
P for pigeon.
P for pigeon.
Pigeon means kabutar.
Pigeon means kabutar.
C for cuckoo.
C for cuckoo.
Cuckoo means koel.
Cuckoo means koel.
H for heron.
H for heron.
Heron means bagula.
Heron means bagla.
E for eagle.
E for eagle.
Eagle means gadur.
Eagle means gadur.
P for peacock.
P for peacock.
Peacock means small.
Peacock means more.
S for sparrow.
S for sparrow.
Sparrow means goraya.
Sparrow means gorilla.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
Parrot means tota.
Parrot means tota.
M for manna.
M for manna.
Manna means manna.
Manna means manna.
C for crow.
C for crow.
Crow means kawa.
C for crow. Crow means cow.
D for duck.
D for duck.
Duck means battak.
Duck means battak.
N for nightingale.
N for nightingale.
Nightingale means bulbul.
Nightingale means bulbul.
V for vulture.
B for vulture.
Vulture means gid.
Vulture means gid.
H for hen.
H for hen.
Hen means murgi.
Hen means murgi.
P for penguin.
P for penguin.
Penguin means penguin.
Penguin means penguin. And subscribe.